Hello and welcome. This demonstration is for cooperative societies. Cooperative societies abound in our societies today, and they are engaged in so many activities. To better appreciate the number of activities, we shall look at our chart of accounts, which has been carefully prepared. We are going to report chart of accounts. If you look at this from the income part of the chart of account, we'll notice that cooperative societies pay levies and fees. They have membership dues. They pay for you to join the cooperative society. You must have membership registration. They also engage in buying and selling, which is the sale of commodities. The income is tracked here. We also have donations. Some of these cooperative society also own facilities for which they rent. They give loans to members, and for that loan they collect also application form, loan application form. It's not free. They get interest on the loans, and we have different types of loans. Most of them also take care of receive deposits and pay interest. Most of them operate almost like a bank, and it is only an accounting software that can be able to meet up and track all these incomes and expenditures that we have. This is where the bulk of the problem is. The inability of any manual system to capture this will result almost in fraud. In addition to that, if you look at the products that have been created, if you click and continue, you will see products that are here. For each membership registration, the fee is 2,000. Then we have special loans account. Yes, the value is one naira, and the interest on loan is also 1 naira. Loan application has been specified is 1,000, and we have sale of commodities. It is only an accounting software that can be able to handle the work of a cooperative society. Let me take you through the process. Now, we have a customer. Let's look at the customer. Let's check here to see whether we have customers. Yes, we have a loan customer here. And what we do is, let's assume that this customer is going to join the cooperative. First of all, we will bill the customer. He must buy a form before he can register, and here we can put the percentage sign, and we click on, press the enter button. This is the membership registration. That's the first process. Once you click on that, you click on continue, and you will now say purchase of form. Purchase of form. You can select the date. The date is 1st of April, and the price has just been entered. Now, in this particular situation, it's going to pay immediately. So we come down here and we select the date. We select his cash, he paid cash, and we just say form. The amount is 2,000. So once we update, you will see that the loan customer is nil, and we're going to collect the money. So the first process, that is the process of registration. We can now click on the post. So once it has been posted, if you look at our trial balance, using this, we can go to the trial balance report, trial balance. You will notice that we have cash. You see, the account receivable has been closed. We have cash of 2,000 and we have income of 2,000. This is the process. Now let's also assume that the customer now wants a loan. The process is that he will pick up a loan application. Yes, I will select this. That's the account that we registered. Let's take it that is picking that on the 4th, and we click on the percentage sign. So we select the loan application. We know it is 1,000. It is when he has picked this application form, and also because he's paying immediately, we use the same window and receive that payment. It's also form, and the amount here is 1,000. Click on update. We put a description here as a loan application form. Application form. And because I put everything is looking okay, we now post. Now let's check our trial balance again. You will now notice that our main cash has increased to 3,000 and our income is coming up. The next step is to apply for the loan. We still go to account receivable, sales invoice, and the customer name is selected. This is because this is only one customer. If there were many, you would have seen you need to put the names here. Having bought the form, he now applied on the 11th for a loan. Now, the loan process will take two steps. We are now going to book the loan. Loan booking. Now, when we come to loan booking, we still check here and we check the loan, the special loan. The code is 2,000 and we click on continue. Now, from here, we can now, let's say that they're giving the customer a loan of 200,000. 200,000, and he is expected to pay interest of 10%. We can do it in two ways. We can book the loan, we can book the interest separately, and it will still be in the right order. But in this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and book the loan, the interest in the same place. Interest on the loan. Now, interest of 10% on this loan should be 20,000. %10 interest. These are all booked together. So you click on update, and the total amount that is going to be charged, is liable to pay, is 220 for this. And once that is done, since it's a loan, other items have been entered. We are now going to post. And when we post, you could notice that if we check our trial balance as it is, when we check our trial balance, we should notice that we have here a liability. This is a special loan. The customer is yet to pay this loan. He has not done anything to make a payment. So if we even check the report, transactions, you will check the report, you will notice that the customer is owing. You could see that the total amount that is owed by this customer is 220,000. This is the booking. Now, if we are going to disburse the loan, we go to General Ledger, add transaction. General Ledger, add transaction. We click on a new number. He booked that loan, and we are supposed to disburse the loan on the 15th. Loan disbursement, and then the loan customer. The first account that we're going to deal with here will be the loan disbursement fund. We need to debit it with 200,000. Once you update, it should go well. Then we are now going to pick the account where we are going to give that money from, which is the cash. And we are going to send it by electronic fund transfer. Having done this, having disbursed the loan disbursement account is supposed to be nil once we post this. So we click on post, it will post. And if we look at our trial balance, we will see what really has taken place. Our trial balance is this. Yes. We click on continue. And once we've done that, you can see that the loan disbursement account is now nil. The interest on the loan is here. We have earned it almost immediately, and this is the report. We can also check the income statement, and we also see how the report, our income, is being recorded. So thank you very much. I will see you in my next video, where we will look at the payment of the interest and the how that could be carried out. Thanks.